Are you a bad welder? Well, I'm gonna give you some hope. I just spent several hours trying to unhillbilly somebody's shock mount setup in my 62 here that was so bad and crooked, it flat out caused the shock to break. Sometime in the 80s, somebody had just taken this big old 1/2-inch bolt and popcorn welded it up there on a bracket, and I thought to myself, I'm gonna take the air hammer, knock this right out, we'll turn around and do it better. Several hours later, I had to take the whole bracket out and use a Sawzall to get this thing off.
So if we look at this up close, this is a 1/2-inch bolt, which means that's a good 3/4 of melted metal around this thing.
And let me tell you, this thing was stuck on there like Texans on the goddamn Alamo. So moral of the story, even if you're not good at welding, if you just melt enough metal around something, it's not going anywhere. Follow me for more helpful tips.